I've reviewed a tattoo machine from Neebol before, and I've used it a lot. Like, I've inked up quite a few designs with it so far. But today I'm back with a full beginner kit from Neebol, and it's honestly pretty impressive. Stick around until the end because I'm going to show you all the tattoos I've created since I've started using both machines. Spoiler, I've been busy. First, let's unbox this thing and see what's inside. You get tattoo stencil transfer paper, 2 fake skins for practicing, wiping cloths, 8 bottles of inks and 1 big bottle of black ink, gloves, ink caps, green soap, plastic shields, fabric tape, a set of cartridges in various sizes, and of course, the wireless tattoo machine with an LED display. Right out of the box, the machine has a nice weight to it. It's not too heavy, not too light, just solid and comfortable in your hand. To turn it on, long press the power button, and then a quick tap starts the machine. Super easy. There are 3 programmable quick settings, which I love. While the machine's running, you just press the up or down button to adjust the voltage and the speed to your liking, and then tap again to stop. Even better, it automatically remembers your last settings so you're not constantly resetting things every time you turn it on. The LED display is super handy for seeing exactly where you're at. It's clean, simple, gives you just enough info without being cluttered. Cartridges are easy to pop in. You just insert it in the end and you twist it until it locks. You can adjust the needle depth by twisting the bottom of the machine, which gives you some good control whether you're lining or shading. Quick tip, use the plastic shield and the fabric tape to keep everything clean and avoid getting ink everywhere. It's a little step that makes a big difference. I've been using this machine a few times a week and it's quickly become my favorite gadget. I've practiced a lot on fake skin, but let's also be real, I've practiced on my own leg. He's already got a bunch of tattoos and was totally down with letting me experiment. A win-win. This kit is honestly perfect for beginners who are serious about learning. It gives you everything you need to get started, and the wireless design makes it easy to focus on your art without getting tangled up. And now the fun part, let me show you all the tattoos I've created since owning both of my Neebol machines. I've come a long way, and I'm so excited to keep designing, stenciling, and bringing new ideas to life. This kit has really been my creative outlet lately, and I'm here for it.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe.